In today's video, I'm going to teach you Logseq versus RemNote, how to choose the right note and study app. We'll start by opening Logseq to see how notes look. Logseq is built around a bullet-based outline, so every idea becomes a node in an indented structure. As you type, it feels like building a tree of thoughts, and you can quickly nest details under headlines. Take a moment to glance at journals, which collect your notes day by day, and pages, which gather related information in one place. Linking is a core strength here. Use double brackets to create page links and build a rich knowledge graph that shows how topics connect. Over time, the graph view can reveal patterns across projects and topics. If you keep track of actions, you'll notice simple task states like to-do and done baked into the outline. For learning tools, Logseq doesn't ship with flashcards out of the box. You would rely on community plugins if you need that. Storage is local first, which many people prefer for privacy and version control, and the project itself is free to use. Now open RemNote to compare. Notes here also support outlines, but the hallmark is built-in flashcards that live alongside your bullets. You'll see documents for organizing topics and a queue that delivers your flashcards using spaced repetition. Linking works through references and concept cards, which let you connect ideas and automatically generate study prompts as you write. Task management exists, but it's not the primary focus. The app leans toward learning and retention. Because flashcards are native, you don't need extra add-ons to study efficiently. By default, RemNote stores your notes in the cloud, which makes syncing simple. The core experience has a free tier, and advanced features are available with paid plans. Let's summarize the differences. For note style, both offer outlines. Logseq emphasizes linking and graph thinking, while RemNote blends notes with flashcards. For linking, Logseq uses page links with double brackets, and RemNote leans on references and concepts. For tasks, Logseq's to-do and done feel integrated, whereas RemNote is lighter here. For learning tools, RemNote clearly wins with built-in spaced repetition. For storage, Logseq is local first, RemNote is cloud first. For price, Logseq is free, RemNote mixes free and paid. Here's how to decide which fits you. If you value a private knowledge graph and strong linking, choose Logseq. If you want notes that turn directly into flashcards for studying, choose RemNote. Either way, try the workflow that matches your goals and stick with the tool that makes capture, review, and recall feel effortless.